Are you looking for a TV under $300? In this video, I will show you the 5 best TVs under $300 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the VIZIO D32-D1. The all-new D-Series full-array LED TV has arrived. Featuring a new modern design and brilliant picture quality, VIZIO's D-Series brings you HD entertainment at an incredible value. The VIZIO D-Series delivers stunning picture quality and clarity from innovative features that put greater beauty into every pixel. Distributes LEDs behind the entire screen, delivering superior light uniformity and picture performance. More than 2 million screen pixels combine to form 1080p Full HD, producing an incredible level of radiance and crystal clear detail. VIA Plus and Wi-Fi connectivity are built into every VIZIO D-Series smart TV. Enjoy a wide variety of popular apps with streaming content and internet radio at your fingertips. The simplified app home and app launcher make finding your favorite entertainment effortless. The 4th product on the list is the Samsung UN32 N5300 AFXZA. Bring all your favorite TV shows, movies, games and media content to life in vivid, vibrant Full HD 1080p with twice the resolution of standard HD TV. Access all your favorites with intuitive smart TV features and built-in Wi-Fi for a more interactive, more connected home entertainment experience. Bring all your favorite TV shows, movies, games and media content to life in vivid, vibrant Full HD 1080p with twice the resolution of standard HD TV. Analyzing original content with an advanced algorithm, Ultra Clean View gives you higher quality images with less distortion. Watch your favorite shows with natural colors that deliver details as crisp as the real thing. Dividing the screen into zones, Micro Dimming Pro analyzes each one for deeper blacks and purer whites. Get to your entertainment the faster, easier, and more intelligent way. Easily access your streaming services all in one place using the Samsung remote control. The 3rd product on the list is the Toshiba 32LF221U21. Toshiba HD Smart TV is a new generation of television featuring the Fire TV experience built in, and including a voice remote with Alexa. Toshiba delivers a superior TV experience that gets smarter every day and access to all the movies and TV shows you love. The voice remote with Alexa lets you do everything you'd expect from a remote, plus, easily launch apps, search for titles, play music, switch inputs, control smart home devices, and more using just your voice. Smart but simple in every way. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and enjoy. Enjoy HD picture quality for lifelike detail, rich contrast, and brilliant colors. Toshiba is built for speed and performance. It's powered by a quad-core CPU/multi-core GPU for instant search results and fast and fluid responsiveness. Connect easily with dual-band Wi-Fi, 3 HDMI inputs, and multiple input-output options. You can even customize the name of each input and adjust picture settings for each connected device. Plus, your TV keeps getting smarter with new Alexa skills and automatic over-the-air software updates, so you always have the latest. Fire TV Edition brings together live over-the-air TV and all your streaming channels on the home screen. Connect any HD antenna and use Alexa to instantly search for and watch live over-the-air TV, or choose from a vast catalog of streaming movies and TV shows from Disney+, Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and more. Plus, you can subscribe to Sling TV, DirecTV Now, and others to stream even more of your favorite live TV shows. You can also connect your cable/satellite box or gaming console through one of the TV's 3 HDMI ports. The 2nd product on the list is the Hisense 32H4F. Combining rich 720p picture quality, intuitively smart Roku TV platform, built-in Wi-Fi, and innovative technologies, Hisense H4F series smart TVs are great for all your needs: streaming, cable, satellite, gaming, and free over-the-air TV. Enjoy all the key moments in fast-paced sports, movies, and games with motion rate 120 image processing, minimizing picture lag to create a crystal clear image without motion blur. Roku TV's simplified home screen and streamlined remote provide easy to access your cable box or HD TV antenna, one-touch access to favorite channels and streaming services, and access to over 5,000 streaming channels and 500,000 movies and TV episodes. The first product on the list is the LG 24LJ4540. Triple XD engine processes images with even greater precision to enable more natural color expression, deeper contrast, and for a more lifelike picture. HDMI offers incredible audio-video quality and single-cable convenience. This monitor includes an HDMI input, so you can connect a true high-definition source, such as a computer, Blu-ray player, or next-generation video game console. LG's LED backlighting delivers exceptional brightness and amazing image clarity. You'll see richer colors and deeper blacks too, and LEDs offer greater energy efficiency compared to conventional LCD monitors. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.